Well, we do be traveling lightly. We have 6 suitcases to bring on this Eurostar train. I still feel like shit. But yeah, last night was not what I expected. I got like 4 hours of sleep and I still am having a hard time functioning as a normal human being. So moving to a different country, it's not the best timing, if I will say. We're at the St. Pancras International train station because we're taking the Eurostar to go to Paris. And I feel so bad because Tom is actually the best human being on the planet. I'm not even just saying that because he's my boyfriend, but he waited for me outside the emergency room all night. He's also helping carry our weight right now because I'm being a little bitch. I mean, I'm trying. Hopefully we're not stopped and they're like, this is just an impossible amount of luggage to bring onto the train. Also, can we just talk about my baby hairs? Like the fact that I'm out in public like this, I could give less of a fuck. I was in the emergency room for like 5 hours and it was free. Like I was in there, they had all these things strapped to my arms, they did all these tests. So I was like, damn, this bill is gonna be heavy. Like if that was C or Sinai, I probably would have left with like $4,000. So we come to the end finally. By the way, problem with me was I think I got food poisoning and I was like, okay, are you guys gonna bill the bill to my address that I provided? And the doctor laughs at me and goes, there's no bill. And I'm like, what do you mean? They're like, it's the UK, it's the NHS, you don't pay. And I knew that for citizens, but I didn't know that like, who the fuck am I? It's crazy how many times in the States we don't go to the doctor because of the bill. Like, isn't that fucked up? Like, as our human rights. Thumbs up for socialism, subscribe for capitalism. Okay guys, so I'm gonna insert a clip of the first time Tom and I applied to study abroad in Paris, which was like 3 years ago. And it kept getting canceled because of COVID. Hi guys! They're gonna exit out of this video the minute they see my face.
No, they're not.
I have hair, I'm not bald.
You're not bald?
So I'm gonna show you guys something. So I'm about to submit my application for my study abroad program. Huh? Oh, yay! Tom Vermolen, are you also going to Paris? Oh yeah. Oh yeah! We're going to Paris! And look at us now. We're actually going. The train is moving. Maybe I should move this. Wow, when your boyfriend is a transformer. Tom, let me just Welcome to my crib. It's so nice. Or it just has character, which is something we're not used to. There's a Christmas tree. There's an ascenseur. Do you know how difficult that is to find in a European building?
This place, right?
Yeah, I'll give you that. And there's a courtyard. Babe, I don't know if you should close it.
Wait, turn those lights off, because they're making a weird thing.
Hey guys. Sorry. I'm currently organizing the closet and the dressers because Parisian apartments are obviously smaller. So this is like pushing me to be a minimalist. Too bad I came here as a maximalist. So that was the point of conflict. That was a point of conflict. Sorry I didn't really vlog yesterday after we got here. It's just because I got a really bad fever and I still don't feel 100%. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think I'm still going through that whatever poisoning that I went through in London. Have some stuff there. I think we're gonna go to IKEA tomorrow because they gave us the apartment with 5 hangers. So that was great. Yeah, we're gonna go to IKEA tomorrow because we want to go today, but it's New Year's Day, so they were like, stay home. Don't come to IKEA for this one day. So guys, Tom comes from America bearing gifts. I got a lot of PR back home when I was away, and he was nice enough to bring me some of it and give me half of his suitcase. Actually, 1/4, right?
Half of one, so 1/4 of my total.
when he knows math.
Okay.
I'm so excited. It's like Christmas came a few days late for me. Today's the first day of 2022, by the way, guys. It really doesn't feel much like it. Like, we barely left the house. I still kind of feel like death, but it comes in like sparks throughout the day. So it keeps everything exciting in here. Tom said I talk in a different accent when I vlog.
This is everything I brought for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. And my contacts, good thing, because I would have officially been blind in a week if you didn't bring those. I see some aloe, Aritzia. Oh my god, this is Aritzia. It's TNA. How cute is this? The fact that Aritzia sends me PR. Oh my god, this is so cute. Let me know if I should do a haul. Like this video, comment, maybe I'll do a haul. Look at these. Good American, very cute. Okay, so we organized our closet. This is the first time we're like having equal space. Before we just had like a mini closet in my apartment. That's all of Tom's stuff because he's tall, all of that. This is my stuff. And then we put a few of our shoes. Funny that they thought I was gonna have 4 pairs of shoes. We don't have any hangers, so I couldn't hang any of my stuff, so a lot of my clothes are still in the suitcases. This is our chest of drawers. It definitely needs a mirror. Probably gonna end up doing my makeup in there. Bonjour tout le monde. Okay, so I'm slowly starting to remember Paris. Last time I came here was summer of 2018, right after I graduated high school. We stayed here for like 3 days, so we didn't really do a lot. And before that, I'd only been here like for a few days in 8th grade, so I really didn't remember anything. But now I remember because we're walking to the Eiffel Tower, which is a far walk from our apartment. And this happened to be on the way, and this is the Place de l'Opéra. Palais Garnier. You guys are gonna see me working on my accent a lot throughout my vlogs. The hotel that we stayed at in 2018 was on this road, and this is the l'Avenue de l'Opéra. Starting to remember, and we're walking to the Eiffel Tower. Guys, look how just like magical this place looks. Wow. Bye, we made it! We have to cross the bridge. It's real windy. Let's go. Okay, so when you see the Eiffel Tower from far away, don't think that you're almost there. Because from that last clip, we've walked probably 30 minutes.
20 minutes.
Okay, it's right there if you can see. And Tom goes, now we're 10 minutes away. We made it. It's blue today. Beautiful. Okay, this is our first time going on the Parisian metro. I think this is my first time just in life. The piece, it smells so good, you know?
This one to the piece.
It's to die for.